And this time, sir, meron tayong picture interpretation.
Picture interpretation.
Apo, natatawagin natin sa aking palagay. Okay, sir? We
Okay.
will show picture po of,
Ah.
of personalities.
Parang
and
chocolate or money.
Then,
Money,
Opo,
money.
opo. We have, of course, Mr. Jackie Chan.
Okay, Jackie Chan, my favorite martial artist, my idol, and one that motivated me to continue martial arts. Jackie Chan, sa aking palagay, dahil very successful ka na, maybe it's time for you na enjoy mo naman yung personal life mo.
Oh, yes, sir. Opo, I agree. Tama, sir. Second picture, sir. Sir
Si
Jet Li.
Jet Li naman, napakagaling mong martial artist. I hope sana magkita tayo, ma-share mo sa akin yung wisdom mo.
Yes, opo. And the third one, sir?
Si Tony Jaa naman, I really would like to know more about Muay Thai kasi alam ko sa Muay Thai, napakamahal din nila yung culture nila and marami silang ritual na ginagawa such as ritual dancing.